accomplish regarding, but the team have to work pretty hard for this one. Assess over the 2 halves.
Mentally, we were prepared for this game. We played Vauxhall 2 times already, and we know that in terms of how they create the game for you, in terms of how hard they make the game for you, that's their mode of operation. So we were prepared mentally for it, and I think the guys took it out. Wasn't pretty. I mean, there's a lot of area that we definitely need to work on if we're going to make an impact in the semi-final. But I'm happy for the team, and we celebrate the moment.
And you created a number of chances that you could have put away the game from the first half. Disappointed not taking those chances?
Very much so. If you look at the chances, there were easy chances that should have been put away. That is something that have been plaguing us all season. But the moment probably weighed on the guys because if you ask me, this was one of the heaviest game we have played all season, knowing what is at stake. So they are youngsters. We just work with it. The result is what we wanted. Where we are now in the semi-final is what we had planned for. So we just have to plan going ahead and look at the semi-final.
Coach, I'm into the final four now. I'm not an anthem of pace of the stats, but the team normally falls just short. What is the difference of this year in going all the way this time around?
Well, we know where we fell short. It's about holding our nerves at the right time when the moments present themselves. We look at the games that we have lost. We haven't been outplayed tactically nor technically, but it's a matter of us not keeping our nerves in the penalty shootout. So mentally, we have to work on the guys for those occasions and see where it takes us from there.
All right, coach.